ensure high flow nasal oxygen. The model that we have created is based on neonatal setup. And
now let's understand what are the flow rates given to the neonates. It is 2 to 3 liter per minute, and for children we give greater than 6 liter per minute. So now let's understand what are the purposes of HFNO. The purposes are to remove out dead space from nasopharynx, to remove airway obstruction, to assist CO2 removal, and to prevent atelectasis, that is lung collapse and bronchospasm. And now let's understand the indications of it. We give to heart failure patients, to respiratory failure patients, to COPD patients, to premature babies, pneumonia group patients.
The contraindications are central apnea and any blockage in upper respiratory tract, choanal atresia, etc. The main complication of HFNO is oxygen toxicity. Oxygen toxicity in children manifests mostly as nasal bleeding and retinopathy, that is retrolendal fibroplasia, in which the lens and the lens is damaged, as well as there is abnormal growth of blood vessels in the baby's eyes.
So let's understand what are the nurse's responsibility towards HFNO. So first we have to identify the patient, and we have to see if any changes are there in the baby. For example, like pain, or if they have cyanosis, like peripheral or central cyanosis, we will see to it, and then we will start the HFNO machine and we will assist to it. And after that we have to record and report according to it, and then we will give the handover to it.
We should also check SpO2 level, as well as presence of cyanosis and nasal flaring, grunting, etc. in newborn babies. Let's see about the mechanism of HFNO. This is the air source and water source. Both of them they supply the air and water to the humidifier, where the air is blended and becomes humidified. Then the humidified air passes via the heated circuit, which heats the humidified air. Thus the air that is provided to the patient at last is of high pressure, and it's humidified as well as heated. And the temperature of the air that's provided is 36.5 to 37.5 degrees Celsius, and the FiO2 is 21% to 100. It can be set according to the need.